We offer the highest quality artificial grass solutions for businesses, delivering a beautiful and durable lawn with minimal maintenance. A greener choice. Unlike natural grass, artificial turf requires no water, pesticides, or fertilizers to keep it looking lush and healthy. It's an eco-friendly choice that helps reduce your carbon footprint while still providing an attractive outdoor space. Low maintenance and long-lasting. Our artificial grass is designed to last for years with minimal upkeep. It's easy to clean and doesn't require mowing or other regular maintenance like natural grass does. Safe and durable. Our artificial turf is made from high-quality material. It can withstand heavy foot traffic without tearing or fading over time, making it perfect for commercial applications. Cost-effective solution. Installing artificial grass is a cost-effective solution for businesses who want to save money on regular maintenance costs while still enjoying a beautiful outdoor space. If you want information, contact us. You can get a free quote.